Hola, hola. It's your boy AG. The kids are already in the car. We're waiting for Checo, and we're going to Leoliwa this weekend for a quick beach trip. Especially, we want the kids to also visit the beach this summer. And yeah, just a quick reset. So it's gonna be around like 3.5 hour drive, but I feel like it's gonna be four because we have to do stopovers because we have the dogs and we don't want them feeling uncomfortable during the biyahe. So we really need to make a few stops to make sure they breathe and wee and poo poo along the way, right, Cosmo? So yeah, go with us in this trip. Go with us in this trip, and we'll see kung anong gagawin natin there. Oh yeah, syempre ako naka-assign sa mga snacks, necessities like tissue, alcohol, things like that. So yeah, we're ready to hit the road.
Right, so for our first stop, we're actually here sa Total. I forgot anong pangalan nung exact stop, but here nandito sila Cosmo, si Ate Orbit. Hi Ate Orbit. And where's Cosmo? Cosmo. 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 Cosmo, Orbit. So, ayun, stop over muna kami for like 15 to 30 minutes. And AG is in either Jollibee or Chowking, getting our breakfast. Diba? Kakain tayo ng breakfast.
Turn right onto Jose Abad Santos Avenue, San Fernando EX, Manila. Continue for 34 kilometers.
We're here na sa San Fernando.
We're at San Fernando na. The babies are tired and bored. So, welcome to Pampanga.
San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yeah. So, malayo pa kami actually. But the good thing is, nakalabas na kami ng NLEX.
Yeah.
So, magbabayan-bayan na kami. Magbabayan-bayan na kami. Hindi naman traffic dito. Malawag naman kasi I've been here before. So, they have really, really big roads.
So we're finally here sa Liwa-Liwa, sa Kapitan Liwas. And here, sineset up namin yung stroller ng dalawa. Ayan. Ready na? Ready na?
Cosmo, you go inside first.
Ayun, imagine after 5 hours of travel. Supposedly 4 hours lang eh. Cosmo, come here.
Mainit, Cosmo.
Supposedly 4 hours lang. Kaso
Yung
nag-stop over kami. Anyway, so we're just gonna go to our room and continue the vlog there.
Yeah. Balikan na lang namin yung gamit kasi we need to settle down first. Sila ate.
Yep, that's right. Alright, so we're here na sa place namin for the next 3 days or 4 days and 3 nights. Cosmo, come here. Cosmo, come on. So this is Liwa-Liwa. Cosmo, come here. Come on, come on. Go, come on. Come on. Ayun si Ate Orbit. Come here. Cosmo, come here. So, ito yung magiging place namin. Yes, Ate. Yes, Ate Orbit.
Ate Wiwi! Wiwi, ikaw dito. Come here. Come here, come here.
So, this is our place. This is our room. And nakalimutan ko yung name. I think it's Villa Grace or Villa something. Pero, post ko na lang yung name here. And the price per night. But it's really nice. I mean, I think roughly nasa mga more or less 4,000 lang yata to per night. And we have our own spot here. Ngayon, pwede kami mag-coffee early morning, you know. And then, of course, ito yung lagay ng stroller, our neighbors. Then, this is our place. So, you have your bed, you have your AC. It's pretty straightforward. And ito yung... Yes, Cosmo. Yes. Ito yung bathroom. Wow! Ganda ng bathroom. Tingnan mo bathroom nila. Ang ganda. Nice, nice. Worth it, worth it. Ha? Of course, we have our own broom. Para makapaglinis din. So, actually, it's like having your own your own house and lot. Parang your own place talaga kasi ito yung naka-allocate sa amin. This is like our front yard, our side yard, front yard or backyard. At least may area kung saan makapag-play yung dalawa. Later, tutur natin yung buong Kapitan Liwas Resort. And it's really nice. It's just 2 to 5 minutes walk from the beach. Kung nakita niyo yung mga bamboos na yan sa labas, after this wall, yan na yung papunta sa beach. Ito na yung beach. What do you think? What's your first impression of Kapitan Liwas?
It's nice. Maganda yung place kasi nasa dulo kami. So it's a little bit far from the crowd. The area is a little bit more shaded. So it's good. Tapos
Sure.
malaki yung space namin sa gilid.
Sure.
Kasi we have pets. So I think we got the best spot, at least for the kids. Kasi
Yeah.
nakakawiwi sila, pupu sila. At madaling damputin because this is already sand.
And yung pinakagusto ko talaga is eto nga, we have our own spot. In fact, if you're a digital nomad like us, you can even work from here. And we have our own internet connection. So we have our own Wi-Fi here. Your mobile service may not be working well, but they do have an internet connection through their Wi-Fi.
Come on, time to go inside.
Right, we're finally here. So,
Here,
anong masasabi mo?
nakapagod magbitbit ng gamit. back and forth the car. Kasi medyo malayo yung parking. Hindi kasi siya like sa tapat, no. You have to walk a little bit. Pero hindi naman like super layo. Pero since we have the kids, madami kaming gamit, not just our stuff. So, yeah, after namin mag-unpack, maglinis, we will head outside to find something to eat, and then the kids will eat din after. Hola, hola. We're stepping out. We've settled inside the room. Ayos na lahat ng gamit. The kids are there waiting for us. Pero kailangan namin kumain somewhere. But the good news is, paglabas mo ng resort namin, eto na siya.
Hello, authentic people all over the world. Joke, ibang vlogger yan.
Maraming kainan. There are also stores where you can buy liquor and toiletries. If you forgot your toiletries, then you can definitely get some outside. That is kung malapit kayo here sa parang main row of stores. So they have the foods here. We just went for like one of their eatery style places. We got chicken and beef steak, cordon bleu, and I got mais con leche plus water. Thanks, Kuya. So we're gonna eat kasi gutom na kami. Checo is already eating. Hello, hello! We took them out. As you can see, kung kagising lang namin, kasi umidlit muna kami. Supposedly, idip namin hanggang 4. Nagising kami 5 na. Kasi yun yung usual na tulog talaga namin. So, si Orbit is here on our stroller. Hey, Ate Orbit! Si Cosmo naman ay, walking leash free as usual. So, yeah, ganito siya pag sunset, guys. May mga banana boat. Then I guess you can bring your own umbrella or maybe rent some from the locals. So may mga resort na malapit na mismo sa beach. As you can see, may mga sila there. Kanya-kanya silang territories. But yeah, it's nice. I think it's nicer in the morning.
Yeah, so babalik kami here, well, for sure, tomorrow. Ayun. So right now, parang check lang namin yung place. And the nice thing with our location is that literal na
5-minute walk. Actually, less than 5.
yeah, like siguro mga 3 minutes walk. Like dito dadaan. During at night, ang ganda din ng lugar, ang ganda ng area. It's magical. So it's really nice. Maganda siya pag gabi. Next gabi. And ito yung sariling access namin sa beach. To the beach. And yung area namin is ganito. So wala siyang pool. However, in spite of that, maganda yung place, maganda yung area. Sulit and worth it. Right now, papunta kami sa Liwali's, which is known for their Liwali's, known for their brick oven pizza.
Oh,
Yeah, kung maraming tao, then siguro dun kami sa area namin kakain ng dinner. Let's see.
And we'll just eat it with the doggies.
And what's nice is that here, ang daming hidden spots. Well, for us hidden kasi hindi naman kami palusan dito.
Ganito.
Like for
Pero ang
example,
cute
this
niya.
one.
This is
oo.
called Surface.
Yeah. Like paakyat, yun, may kainan dun. Surface Liwa Kitchenette. It's nice. Ayun no. Tsaka affordable lang yung food. Sulit siya compared dun sa kinainan namin kanina. And you know, not to bash, but parang mahal yung kinainan natin kanina.
Yeah, it's a little bit pricey for like a eatery style place.
This is Liwa Ice. So, kain kami ng brick oven pizza. This is their place. Ah, so cute din.
Want to? Photo with them.
Yeah. Have their coffee bar. Then tayo order ng pizza. Yan, best local pizza in Liwa. So guys, ito yung kinuha namin. Anong tawag ulit?
Pepperoni
Ah,
pizza.
Sorry.
Something special. Pero, yeah.
Yup. And yun nga, we decided na i-take out para dito kami sa harap ng mini bahay namin. Kakain with the Orbit. And Cosmo, come here. Cosmo na sa other side. Kain ka. Yeah. Good morning. Ayan, sobrang aga ko nagising. I think it's 5:09 a.m. Ayan. And ito, maaga ako ginising ni Cosmo and ni Orbit. So, iwawak muna sila ngayon. And this is how early morning looks like here in Liwa-Liwa, Zambales. Ready na si Orbit. Ayan, so ready na rin si Cosmo. And we're on our way back to the beach. And ito si Cosmo medyo hesitant. Come on, Cosmo, come here. Medyo hesitant siya mag-walk. And there's Ate Orbit with AG. Orbit, wow, princess na princess si Orbit.
Para makikita yung patros.
Yeah. Oh, come here. Cosmo, come here na. Wow, may coffee na. Thank God. Yeah. Come here, Cosmo. Bili muna kami ng coffee. So, and I like the name of their coffee. Jesus Brews.
Yeah, this na.
Yeah. Hi, ate. Cosmo, come here. Good morning. Isang brewed coffee, please. Tapos, ano sa'yo?
Ice Americano? Meron ba sila?
May ice americano kayo.
lang po, ice black.
Okay,
Ice.
tas 2 pumps ng sugar syrup.
So, sa akin yung brewed lang.
Coffee, tsaka ice.
Cosmo, come here. Wow. So, ito yung town center. Hindi, parang town area or I don't know. Basta ito yung center ng Liwa-Liwa early morning. It's nice.
May labas yung
Saan? Ayaw.
There's a fruit coffee po, willing to wait kaya 5 minutes.
Sure, okay.
Balikan na lang namin yun. Or,
Ito po. Pwede pala pag-breakfast here o kasama sila Orbit mamaya. Sa tabi.
we have breakfast na.
Sige, tamay. Cosmo. Cosmo, come here. Cosmo. Ate Orbit. Orbit. Cosmo, come on. Come on.
Wala talaga ako magagawa dito.
Dapat
Yung Kwentong Dagat, sa hotel, yung Likubo,
Ah,
tsaka yung Kapitan.
May
Ah,
iba din
sige.
sila mama isa.
sige. Pili ka sa kanila.
Yung liwawag yung
Ah. Ito, yung liwliwa lang.
Ah,
So, ito isa. Tapos, 100 yan, no? Ayan. Tapos, itong isa kuya, 100 din to?
Sige, pang ano,
Ah,
pang buena mano na lang.
i-separate mo lang yung lagayan ko kasi regalo namin. Ito yung sabi.
Maganda to sir. Kawa.
Wala ka?
Mabili na kuya dahil yan.
So, we got our coffee na.
Thank
Ayan.
you.
And our trinkets. Oh, not pala trinkets, but
Ref
ref
magnets.
magnets. Yeah. And dun sa unahan, andun yung boat. Not sure if kita nyo. And try ko i-through. Parang di siya. But yeah, there's a lot of things happening early morning sa Liwliwa.
Di ba tayo there?
Yeah, pwede. Tsaka, ang nice din pala sa area na to is that may mga naka-install na mga umbrella. Kahapon when we went here, akala namin, or
For rent.
oo, for rent siya. Or ako, akala ko, dala nila, baon nila. Pero,
Seems like it's a local project.
pre-installed na pala siya. Nasaan na siya?
Lipat ko lang ang aking siya.
Lipat kami doon sa may ano. Ayun na yung start na yung dragon boat nila. At this age, parang di ko na kaya mag-dragon boat. Pero na-try ko before sa Boracay. Dragon boat, flying fish ba tawag nun? Ayun, na-try ko yan before. And I'm glad na na-try ko siya while I was younger. At least now that, you know, I'm a bit older, I could say, been there, try that. So, ayun yung magbe-dragon boat. Yeah, it's really nice here. I mean, of course, it's not your Boracay or your El Nido, but if you're really looking for a beach resort near Metro Manila na maraming cafes, may mga restaurants, may community, may mga tao, this is the place to be. So we've been here for over 30 minutes. Ayun, just enjoying the sun, the sand, and of course the people. Yan, binalik na namin yung kids sa villa namin and we're heading to the restaurant sa cafe area kasi we have free breakfast. So, ayun, we're excited. Kahapon kasi hindi namin nakuha yung free breakfast namin kasi
Avoid na siya kasi hanggang 11 a.m.
mating kami 11:30.
Too bad.
Yeah. And itong place na to, yun nga, yung Kapitan Liwa, isa siya sa mga pinupuntahan here because sa food nila. And if you've heard of Sestra Cafe, nasa tabi lang ng Kapitan Liwa. Yeah. So sister nila yon. Kaya siguro Sestra kasi sister. But
Maybe.
yeah, later on to check namin yung Sestra. So for now, punta muna tayo sa cafe to eat our breakfast. So, gustong-gusto ko yung area because, yun nga, quiet lang siya and simple lang. Wala kaming pool but of course, ang lapit lang niya sa beach. So, ang laki nung dagat. Magpakasawa tayo sa dagat for now. Ayan. I really like this place, honestly. Simple lang and it's raw. Raw. It's quaint. Ano. So, ito yung cafe ng Kapitan Liwa. This is the cafe area. And, yun nga, if you're a pet lover, if may fur kids ka, you can bring the dogs here. Tapos here, dito yung Sestra. Ayan, ito yung Sestra. Dami na ngang tao sa Sestra eh. Even if it's around 7 a.m. pa lang. Ayan, haba ng pila. Ayan. Haba ng pila. Let's see. So, since maraming tao, for now, dun muna kami sa Kapitan Diwa magbe-breakfast. Probably tomorrow, punta kami here. Or mamayang gabi. So, ang lapit lang ng dalawa, Kapitan Diwa and then Sestra. Ang daming tao sa Sestra. Tingnan mo, ang haba ng pila.
For breakfast, for cafe.
Yay, here's our breakfast. So we have corned beef, we have pancakes, and ayan. Wala pa yung sa akin, which is tocino.
Yeah.
And we have our mango shake, Coke Zero,
Hello, hola, hola.
and we're here ulit sa town well, not really town proper, pero parang main road. Yeah.
Main Coastal Road.
Yeah. Diba?
So there's more stores here.
Yeah, ang nice talaga. It's so cozy. It's so, raw, unfiltered, and unpretentious. Kasi ganito na yun. You get what you get what you see. Ganun. Yeah. It's affordable. It's, pangmasa siya, but, the good kind of crowd. Nice din dito. Magsiling.
You also have a doggo sa ilalim ng table.
Yeah. Wow! Unlimited rice. Pwede tayo dito actually.
Yeah,
Oh my God. I'm so-
inasal. They also have inasal. And there's mango shake, fresh mango shake.
Yeah. Kaswarina. Ito yung in-enquirean ko the last time pero fully booked sila.
Oh, it's really just along the beach.
Yep, and may parking lot kaya isa sa in-enquirean. Pero yun nga, mas nauna silang na fully booked. Pero worth it din naman yung sa atin ngayon. So, right now, maghahanap kami nung massage.
Oh?
Well,
Taco and massage.
yeah. Massage muna and then after the massage, taco. Actually, after nung kaswarina ang massage. Pero, since nasa likod kami, hindi namin kita. So, pupunta kami sa beach. Here. This side. Dito tayo.
Okay.
Yep. Ayun na. Dito yung massage. Oo nga. Yep. Ayun yung massage.
Or just because tanghali.
Yeah, I think it's because it's tanghali. So we found our way here sa another side of Liwa, which is, yun nga, it's wider yung shoreline compared dun sa kabila. I think yung massage is here. Let's see. After the daw eh. Wow. Ito yung hinahanap namin, yung beach massage spa, but unfortunately wala. Let's see. Tignan natin. Ate, anong oras to mag-open? Anong oras to? Anong oras sila nag-open? Yung massage? Hapon pa? Mga what time?
Hindi ko lang po alam, sir. Tanungin ko po mamaya doon.
Dito lang ba sila?
Opo.
Tapos mga magsa-set up sila around...
Mga 5 po siguro sir.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Alright. So, failed. So, siguro mamaya. Let's see kung may enough time pa. Babalik kami here para magpa-massage.
Tapos, motorbike.
Yeah.
No.
We should be back mga 4 p.m. siguro para... Try mo yun.
Ay, ito na. Share mo na lang po.
Yeah.
Bago bang ano.
Actually, gusto ko yan i-try. Nahanap namin yung taco dyan, so it's part of our itinerary. Kasi sikat siya here sa Liwaliwa. Ayun, this is Taco John and yes, may pila. Pero nahin muna namin yung not mang inasal, but inasal with only rice. Siguro after the massage na lang tong Taco John. No? Ay, sorry, it's Taco Joint. Taco Joint pala. Hey, so finally after waiting for siguro mga 30 minutes to 1 hour, finally got our
30 minutes lang. Grabe ka.
yeah, 30 minutes. Pero it's worth it. Ayan. So we are out and about. Aalis na naman kami. Pupunta kami sa Liwaliwa Massage. Dito. Kahapon, dito kami kumain lunch. Our first meal in Liwaliwa. And then mamaya, barbecue kami here. Or here. Okay din dito sa Backburn. Wow. Although kanina nag-inasal na kami.
Medyo konti na yung tourist now because it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Almost, yeah, it's 4 p.m. now. Usually, kapag tourists, they would only be here Friday to Sunday.
True.
So, since may US holiday bukas na kami.
Ito, nice din to. Agos ng Diwa. Actually, maganda siya. Ito, maganda din, no?
Nadaanan ko yan last time.
Oo.
Then other resort would have.
Wow. Yeah. Ito yung sabi mo ano. Mamaya, bubukas to.
Yeah, and Esquinita. There's
Ay,
a bar.
wow. Pwede tayo dyan mamaya. So, hinahanap namin yung building kung nasan yung Liwaliwa Massage. Yung unang pinuntahan natin kanina, nandun yung... ito pala yung surf, ano. Well, anyway, yung unang pinuntahan natin kanina, yun yung parang beach lounge nila. Pero, meron din silang, spot sa building, sa second floor. Yun, Rice Cafe. Oh, masarap daw yun.
Though, I think they're closed.
7 a.m. to 3 p.m. pala siya. Umabot na kami sa main road. Nahanap pa rin namin yung spa. But, dito lang yan. Dito lang yung apart. Uy, may pizza din pala here, oh. Nice. Limliwa Resort. Ito, Limliwa Beach Resort.
Two kami na
So
same
we
lang.
finally found Lim Liwa Beach Massage Spa.
Yeah.
Ako din, full body.
Okay po. Bali, 140.
1.5. So, ayun, yung massage spa is nasa loob ng Lim Liwa Beach Resort. And, ah.
Diretso na lang po sila sa may second floor. Iraradyo ko na lang po si Monty.
thank you. Salamat. Ayun, so after like, siguro mga 10 minutes walk from our place, 10 to 15.
10 minutes kasi niligaw kami, pero I
Yeah.
think mas mabilis pag...
Kung alam namin yung,
It's within the main road. Look for like Lim Liwa. Kasi resort sila, they offer massages but sa kasama yun sa...
Yep. So, second floor, I'm not sure kung ito ba yun na second floor. Or sa loob.
Sa loob.
Mm-mm.
So marami na nag-check out as you can see. Marami nang paalis.
Yeah,
Kasi
kasi
check out siguro sila.
mga 4 p.m. na ngayon eh.
Pagod na ako. Gusto ko
Remember like when we used to travel with families, ang dami talaga natin dala kay cooler, pagkain,
True.
luto. Ngayon wala na, just pack your bags and go. Bahala ka na kung ano ng pagkain when you get there. Yung mga family outings natin nung bata.
Although mas magastos ngayon kasi since walang dalang food. So,
Yeah.
sa restaurant, sa cafe na bibili.
Gotta still
Yeah.
pay for added convenience.
Here na.
Yes.
Sa spa. Thank you.
May ka-escort sila. Which is nice. Kasi medyo malaki yung area.
Oo.
Really so.
Well, it's a good thing na nagpa-spa kami ngayon because this is part of Lim Liwa na hindi namin madidiscover kung hindi kami nag-decide magpa-spa.
Yeah. Sana naka-on na yung lights after namin mag-massage para makita namin yung night.
I'm sure
Um,
maganda yung night dito, night view
Ambiance.
because night ambience. And I think it's easier siguro kung sa beach tayo dumaan kanina.
Oo nga, no. Hindi natin naisip yun. Kasi hindi siya tinuturo ng maps. Diba? Pinapadaan niya kami sa roads.
Oo.
Pero, ay, may road din din. Ay, yung mga buggy
Yan
na
yung
kayo, no?
ATV.
Yeah. Next time.
Next time,
Pagbalik.
we'll still be
Hindi
back.
pala pwede. Sabihin
Bakit?
kami ihaw-ihaw.
Ha?
Pagbalik. Paano tayo ihaw?
I mean, we'll still be back sa Lim Liwa for sure. In the next few weeks.
Ay, ate! Kay Sir Lito, thank you.
Bigay ko mamaya. Customer po, nag-buy na po sila sa taas.
Hello. Thanks po, thank you. Pinig mo pa rin yung Ako po. Malapit lang ba to sa yung El Taco or Taco Jones?
Ay, Taco Jones. Malapit po yung sa dagat ng Taco.
Okay.
Taco Jones.
We're finally here and eto, meron. Yeah.
You have to develop this form for going on with the massage, which we appreciate. Kasi it asks about your preferred areas to focus on, anong preferred mong oil, plus if you have any health and medical history that you want to disclose, kasi it would also help them.
Ang pinaka-favorite ko is yung part ng questionnaire that says or that asks kung which part yung gusto mong i-avoid
Yeah.
and which part ang i-focus. Because in QC, in Manila,
They just go with it, kahit ticklish ka or not.
yeah, true. Ayun, so, yeah, we're here na and rinig pa rin namin yung ATV.
Pero better here kasi nasa taas ka. Kasi doon sa beach side talaga, ay maraming nagbabagi doon sa baba mismo. So, medyo okay yung
Yeah, but at least here, although rinig mo siya somehow mas mas subtle yung noise. But yeah, it's actually nice. So we're here na again. Magsa-start na yung massage.
Di pa.
Hindi pa. Magsa-start pa lang. Ayan. So this is where we're gonna have our massage. So we're done with our massage. How was your experience?
It was good. It was more like, parang siya Swedish na may halong hilot. Or probably just because ganun lang i-glide niya yung kamay niya. But I think it's still okay. Akala ko paggaan yung kamay niya, but buti na lang. I mean, it's fine. Parang may mga pores sila. Gano'n. Oo.
So medyo malayo pala talaga si dun sa pinuntahan natin kanina. Ito yung kwentong dagat.
Ayun na tayo.
Oo nga pala, dito tayo lumabas kanina. Ay,
Dito tayo.
malapit lang pala. Ito yung,
Mas malapit siya, I guess, pag sa side up mo. Kasi yung hotel nila na nagpapassage or yung building nila is tapat ng side.
yeah.
Tapos kaya dito na lang kami.
I think ito yung unique sa, sa Liwliwa. Yung ATVs. No? Wala pa akong nakitang beach na may ATVs. Diba? Ay, to, Cafe Hotelio. Ang ganda dun sa taas, oh.
Morning. Hola, hola. Punta kami sa breakfast namin and then hanap kami ng coffee. Actually, late pa pala magbubukas yung coffee. Ay, ba't ganun? Medyo madumi ang ating camera. Yan. Can you see me better? Yeah. Nilak lang na-check ko yung villa. Kasi may mga precious items kami inside. Like Orbit and Cosmo. Ako late na ako nakatulog kagabi. Parang around 11 na siguro.
Ako naman, ginigising kasi ako ni Ate Orbit, yung isang fur baby namin. Nagbabark siya kasi gusto niyang umakyat. Ayan.
So,
Sa bed, umakyat sa bed.
inakyat namin siya. Here is their small resto. Check namin if open. Or nagtitake na sila ng order sa kabila. Sa Sestra, which is just literally pagtawid. Closed pa daw. So ayan, ito yung reception area ng Kapitan Liwas, which is really cute and nice. They have like a big mirror there. Hello, good morning.
Hey guys, it's Jack. And tapos na kami mag-breakfast dun sa Kapitan Liwas Cafe. Well, actually hindi yun yung official name. Tinawag ko lang na Kapitan Liwas Cafe. But yun, may cafe area sila dun. And nandito kami sa Sestra, sa tabi lang ng Kapitan Liwas. So it's still closed and trending yung Sestra. We don't know why, but ayun, check namin. Pero yun nga, kahapon din, we were here and I think takulan ko ng video. And kahapon ang haba din ng pila, ang daming tao. Nung dumating din kami here nung Saturday. Ang dami ding tao at 11 in the morning. Parang naging ano na siya, chill out place, hangout place here in Liwa-Liwa. Ayun, ang dami na namin, nag-aantay na mag-open. Pag Monday, nag-open sila at 8 a.m. Pero pag weekends daw, mas maaga sila, 7 a.m. So it's still 7:46. So 14 minutes before their doors open. Pero ayan, ang dami nang nakabang. Ang dami na excited. And it's, I mean, nice. Nice yung coffee culture here. And not to mention ang dami pang cafes here sa area. It's not just Centra. Ayan, open na. Kaso ang haba na ng pila. Good thing nauna ako mag-order. Pero imagine, kaka-open lang mga 5 minutes ago. Ganito na kagad kahaba yung pila. So, yeah. If ever gusto nyong i-check yung Sestra, agahan nyo. And bring a lot of patience. But I think it's worth it. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman ganun kadami yung patience kung hindi masarap here. So here's our order. We have shawarma fries and dalawang iced Americano. So what do you think of their food?
Masarap siya, except they got the other order wrong. Kasi hot dapat yung check. Naging iced Americano.
It's okay.
But it's fine. Masarap naman siya actually. I like it. I like the coffee.
Sulit naman yung pag-aantay natin.
We didn't really wait for long kasi after namin mag-breakfast, katabi lang siya. So we
Sure.
just hop up here.
Yeah.
So mahaba yung line. Mahaba pa din siya to now.
Mahaba pa rin siya ako na.